First, go to Pages in your WordPress dashboard. You can either select an existing page or create a new one. For faster development, click the template icon and import ready-made templates. You can import a full page or choose section by section. There are many sections available, so you can add only what you need. After importing, you can customize everything to match your design: text, images, colors, and layout. Now, let me show you how to build a section from scratch. Simply add a container, insert widgets, and adjust the layout and styling as you like. Once you're done, save the page and preview it on the front end. That's all. Thanks for watching. Get Invena today and build pages faster with ease.